Welcome to Institute of Quality and Reliability. Hi, this is Hemant. Join the family of ASQ certified Six Sigma Black Belts. Institute of Quality and Reliability announces Six Sigma Green and Black Belt workshop starting from 13th April 2024 on weekends. Workshop is based on body of knowledge prescribed by American Society for Quality. Visit us at www.world-class-quality.com. Course is online, so learn in safe and comfortable environment of your home. Workshop will be conducted by highly experienced and qualified faculty members with multiple ASQ certifications. 2 out of the 3 faculty members are certified by ASQ as Six Sigma Master Black Belts. So what are you waiting for? Register for the workshop. Link to download detailed brochure and registration form is given in the information.